amadi kendra gi khanba amaga gi khenaba thamdana yamna secularism da thajaba candidate amane na koina machi ticket pi gi bane akoi NCP gi oina district sidai da anihum sibna thadok te district sida mahak mathan ni thadoi yamni special oina akoi thadok pani leinari ba candidate chingsidai da magi winning capacity adagi magi winnability se koina phajana khangi soina kani haibagi asa so koina tawri aduna ma koi koi candidate oina puthokpa sidai da koi chopoi mai pakani leba ki sewa toba ma matik chaba mi ni haina puthokani ana leinari ba singduga yengnaru bada atai candidate singsiga yengnaru bada akoi candidate se anopa candidate nati na mayam da haijaningi aduga prajana su madu aina haiba khakta natana prajana su soina khambirangani haina khali tawbagi di mahak che atai party da yauruba koluba adudi magi experience ki damakta yauruba ne koina khalli adubu NCP da yauraba matungda di NCP ki candidate oina or matungda di mangon da efficiency leiba praja gi ma na activities tawgiba mayam do akoi count tawdaba yadaba aduna maram oidna yamna maru oiba candidate amne na lawi aduga Sri the community Cameroon Taribasu Magi Masada community Amakaki Bonavana secularism basis community putting Masina Mission Kaina Togi Momasipura Mabu candidate Kali Aruga Manipurgi Lady context the party winner Kendra who leader Loina Mutatu equity some selective constituency character addition single digits the Quitado double digits power yoke single digits the Tadoga show a quick missing chair, a queen selector of Tado. I am Manaka in a Kali, Kari wishing the Nike, go bench Yamada, so the Maki Shiar to Nenakali. Haribashi, a quickie, Valley da, Impalgi Mayonda, Homari, Adegi, Kachingi outer constituency, Chingmaronda, Kachingom the Yauri. Adagi Agwigi Hill Magna Dragasu Hill areas gi Manak Nakpa Shekmai Gumbada Yauri. Aruna Koi China Pulap Hector consolidated Obama the Tado Punate Manipur gi Pamishing the Machine Yam Dragasu Yam selective constituency sings the Tadohi. Aruna Ikoina Prajashan the Hygienic Badi Sigimatang Rida. Psychotic Kendra CHURACHANDPUR Gishu Yam Muruiba Kendra Machina development Queen Pangdana Lermaba Aduga Kagi missing na Makoi Masagi Maranai Nungai Bab the People's Ski Kandabagim in a church Machi Quiti George Gumba Yamna Young Koiba Dynamic Koiba Sigumba Rajagi Kanba Ashina Karagadi Suid Namaki Prajagi Awabashe Magna Kongani and the Taja Baglu and Queen Mabu Aqui NCP candidate or Natadopone. That's all. Any questions?
So the question is in your manifesto, what is your manifesto and is there any point which is for the purely mean for the development of the tribals in Manipur?
We are not particular in the tribals. We are for all the people. Any community, whoever is a resident of Manipur, that's all we regard them all. We don't have any partiality or impartiality. With what say tribal, of what community, of what say Muslims is there. We cannot particularly specify anything, any of the community. We think all the communities were Manipuris. So we should not have any differences. That's why we call it secularism. We base on the secularism, not on the religious basis, not on the community basis. We think of the people as a whole.
Another question is, Sarzor has posted in a WhatsApp group saying that inside the Hindu temple will be constructed. Is this true?
No, I don't mind for that. Those different matters, we don't care for that.
No, the people mind it. Your electorate mind it.
As for the electorate, we are this time you see everybody is
That's a propaganda. That's a total lie.
Some clarification.
That's a total lie. I have many times clarified again and again that my opponents are depending on rumors and propaganda only. I am fighting for justice. I am standing for equal development and to bring real democracy in this part of the constituency.
Yes.
Today, I am not going to bow down with that kind of propaganda. I have dedicated myself, my life. I have lived my job. I'm not sorry for that because I'm dedicated for the people. Now, change and reform should be there. And NCP as a party is secular democratic party, and the long demands for such a secular principle ideology is very much needed and need of the hours at this point of time. So that is why NCP I'm choosing for NCP, and we will work and we will success this time with the support of the masses. People cannot be fooled anymore. People have very well known that NCP is a secular party which our state need at this point of time.
Thank you.
Tu chunga 59 cycle constituency election tet dinga decision kala he. Kay ma on ego, kay ma on selfishness ka bola he po. A society for the last 40 years patna long neglected ihi pau kamu na sacrifice ka bola he. For example, the minority in 59 cycles are long neglected for more than 30 years. There should be called development. Now it's 2022. Ya chu tu chunga he change and reform kiti gam sungwa ki helnati ta he alun pha da tai. Even our kids have started using the smartphone. They have instantly access with the Londons and New York at this point of time. If people are phungla changi sei di hom, if people are so pi unau mal ho le minority ho neglect the building hom tu chunga he mijo sia dinga repetitive mark ke gel he in kay ho ki bin ka ki gel po in thado ka ki gel po in all the community jo se repetitive ka hi in which is acho kin change ka ti pa cho sai ko na system di lo i bol pau business election i gel pau investment business i gel pau to tu chunga we have to end it sai ko buthima pa he we have to bring light to the darkness, which is to change and reform country chahi. Tu chungin vision 2022 and vision kiti khara ki semen. Which is pathin lung se na no mi pijo se in support na jala ba ilo se na ba hele. Which vision document sunga he no me hotui khaya gam la ta che na wa ko na all na dingo. Khungla changa ke khan na ho su mang ding. Development dita government property khusung wa ki mulo ho ki mun ding water supply system sule adang dang development hall, a deserving hall, beneficiary hall, adita amu pan na dingo, ira phat chung ron na dinga tu chunga he ka ki kat do he, is chun mi bi jo sin tu chunga he. Vote ko nga polling bu nai lut pha do le. Who is the right candidate? Who is the real candidate? Ti pa to head dingo. Last more than 1 month I have started my awareness. I did not start with a campaign. I started with awareness. I told the people we need changes. Our system is already too dirty. We have to bring changes. Then only a few months back, I have started my campaign. So I'm starting from the grassroots with awareness, and now I pray to the people at these crucial junctions that we must stand together if we are really going for change and reform. Which is because I know men, which is two chungai so people now there's also in. We have vote be in teacher. Party base ang veo hite. Party base has so kaya BJP tabangham. So like NPP tabangham has so kaya win. NCP hi Congress ba kaya kada hi in. Hong na chang hit na nilo religious base ha chilo. Mizo se takada hi ti na pa si party ahe tu chunga. Idin khom lo wa hele. If mako he building a hitain, is it so people now te ho. A bond sabin na cheba. Tu chungan NCP gohori punglima and vote in tachi winta. Na now pau na supe pau na upau. Na tu pau kay ma. Na ko mawak ang tao he. Ka pa eh. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
I, Sri Dorami Boy Machine hoist the flag of NCP for the candidate Mr. George T. Aukip.
NCP! NCP! NCP!
Hey, hold on, let's stop.